Imagine you're working on a Perl script, and you encounter a problem where you need to print undef for array elements that are undefined. It can be frustrating to see warnings about uninitialized values popping up when you run your script, right? That's the issue we're tackling here. To solve this problem, you can use the data printer module in Perl. By incorporating the code snippet provided earlier, you can easily print out the elements of an array in a human-readable format without triggering any warnings. This solution is straightforward and efficient, making your output cleaner and more informative. Now, diving deeper into the solution, the use of data. Printer allows you to neatly display each element of the array with its index. This organized format makes it easy to identify undefined elements represented by undef in the output. By utilizing this tool, you can enhance the readability of your Perl scripts and avoid any unnecessary warnings about uninitialized values. Continuing with the explanation of a solution, the output generated by data. Printer presents the array elements in a structured manner. Each element is listed along with its corresponding index, clearly highlighting any undefined values. This level of detail ensures that you can easily spot and differentiate between defined and undefined elements within the array. In summary, addressing the initial problem of printing undef for undefined array elements in Perl can be efficiently achieved by leveraging the data printer module. This solution streamlines the output presentation, eliminates warnings related to uninitialized values, and provides a clear representation of array elements, including those that are undefined. So why not give this approach a try in your Perl projects? And remember, for more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Happy coding!